People often imagine an AI second brain as this glowing giant web beat, like complex nodes and clusters.
Oh, yeah, like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Right, but the reality is surprisingly simpler.
Much simpler. Honestly, it is far less cinematic than you would expect.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are exploring a really fascinating guide.
It is a great one. We are looking at the 5 levels of building an AI second brain.
The mission here is not to build the most advanced system possible. We just want to find the simplest setup.
Exactly. One that solves your specific retrieval problem today.
Because your personal data is your absolute moat.
Your project notes, your client context, that is entirely unique to you.
But it only becomes valuable when your AI can actually find it. Okay, let's unpack this.
We should start at the foundation, level 1.
We start here because the biggest mistake people make is adding complex tools. They do that before fixing their basic folder structure.
Yeah, people love to procrastinate by installing new software.
It is so true.
But level 1 is just simple folders. You use plain text or markdown files, and you need one routing file.
Building this is like stacking Lego blocks of data. You need a solid base before getting fancy. 2 sec silence. I still wrestle with messy folders and prompt drift myself.
Oh, we all do. It is totally normal.
I will have 50 PDFs named Final Draft and then wonder why the AI is confused.
Right. But that one routing file is the fix. People usually name it something like CLAUDE.md.
So it tells the AI who you are and its role.
Exactly. And most importantly, where to look. Like for project work, check the projects folder.
Without it, the AI might ask you to explain things that already exist.
Because it is basically guessing in the dark.
But what happens when I name a folder client feedback but search for customer reaction?
Well, that is the main limitation of level 1. It relies entirely on exact keywords.
So level 1 breaks down if we forget our exact phrasing.
Precisely, which forces us to evolve to the next stage.
Level 2, the wiki notes.
Right, because exact keywords completely fail when you amass 30 to 100 notes.
You forget what is actually inside them.
Yeah. So we need a way to group ideas together without over-engineering things.
Enter the wiki layer.
It is still mostly markdown files.
Yeah.
But now they link to each other.
Via indexes and references.
Exactly. An index gives the AI a literal trail to follow. It starts at an index, finds agentic workflows, and just follows the links.
Now, tools like Obsidian show these massive visual graphs. They look incredible.
They look so cool on social media.
But honestly, while the visual graph looks cool, the real underlying value is just the plain markdown text.
100%. The graph is eye candy. The AI just needs clear hyperlink pathways.
Right.
And we should clarify, wiki links just mean see also. They do not explain how things are related.
Can the AI update this wiki itself?
It can, actually. You can use auto memory to update a central memory.md file. It keeps the setup totally tool agnostic.
The AI can write its own ongoing memory file for future reference.
Right, and that sets you up perfectly for the next jump. Because what if C also is not enough?
What if you cannot even remember the exact topic name?
That is when we move to level 3. Semantic search.
Searching by meaning, not just keywords.
Exactly. This is for when your search for feedback needs to uncover notes that say evaluation.
A normal folder completely misses that note.
It does. So we introduce vector databases, things like Pinecone or Supabase.
Now, vector database sounds intense. Let's define the core mechanism here. What is an embedding model?
It turns text into math, so AI finds similar hidden meanings.
Whoa. Imagine scaling to thousands of transcripts and finding one exact thought.
It is incredibly powerful. What's fascinating here is the severe limitation, though.
Oh, what is the catch?
Vector search is great for needle in a haystack questions, but it is terrible at reading a full document from top to bottom.
Ah, I see. It just pulls chunks of text.
Exactly. It might grab 5 relevant-sounding chunks and ignore the rest of your 20-page plan.
Should I put my entire second brain into a vector database?
Definitely not. You really want to mix that up here. Keep project plans as simple markdown.
Keep daily notes simple, but use vector search for your massive archives.
That is the smartest way to do it. 2 sec silence.
But vector search finds meaning in massive archives. It cannot tell you who introduced you to a client.
Right. It lacks that specific human nuance.
For that, we need to map relationships. Level 4, knowledge graphs.
Level 4 tracks what we call typed relationships.
So not just C, also.
Exactly. It maps it out. Jordan works at Acme. Acme is endorsed by Postpiler.
That allows for highly precise, lightweight retrieval.
It is perfect for relationship-heavy work. like CRM data.
But how do we actually build this? The software is not the hard part.
No, the hard part is extracting the knowledge from your own head. Most people do not write down the political dynamics of a deal.
So how do we get it out into the system?
You have the AI run interview-style brainstorms. You literally tell the AI to grill you.
Like, grill me about client A.
Yeah. It asks you questions, forces the context out, and saves it to a file.
Do most people actually need this level of relationship mapping?
Honestly, only if your work involved complex client networks and stakeholders.
Right.
Content creators and standard project managers usually do not need it.
Only build a knowledge graph if tracking complex relationships is your main job.
Keep it simple, unless you really need it.
Which brings us to level 5, the autonomous OS.
The holy grail.
If we can map everything, shouldn't we just let an always-on AI agent manage it?
It sounds perfect, right? Always-on agents watch files, sync data, and refresh indexes automatically.
So what does this all mean? We just turn it on?
Well, there is a massive risk here.
Yeah.
Too much context creates terrible noise.
More data is not always better data.
Exactly. Stale customer details and messy Slack threads confuse the AI.
So we need rules.
2 golden rules before building any level. Rule 1, be careful with private data.
Client contracts and financial data should not be casually thrown into cloud AIs.
Use local files or open source models for sensitive info. Rule 2, the real problem is extraction.
Meaning?
Do not blame the AI if you never actually wrote the details down.
That makes total sense.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it is really about context versus connections.
Let's break that down.
Context is your long-term knowledge. Goals, brand rules, deep history.
Things that stay stable.
Right. Connections are things that change constantly. Quick emails, Slack threads.
So the ultimate filtering question is, will this still be useful 1 year from now?
If yes, save it in the core brain. If no, just tell the AI how to route to it.
How do I know I'm truly ready for level 5?
You only earn level 5 after you deeply understand your own retrieval patterns.
Yeah.
You have to hit the absolute limits of level 4.
Start simple and only move up when your current setup physically hurts.
Never build complexity before you feel the pain of the limitation.
We are going to take a quick break here.
Stick around. We will be right back.
And we are back. Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
We have journeyed from basic folders up to autonomous agents. But the ultimate takeaway is simple.
The best AI note-taking app isn't the one with the fanciest graph.
Or the most complex database.
It is simply the one that helps you and your AI find the right information again.
Match the tool to your specific retrieval problem. Most people should happily stay at level 1 or 2.
That is a highly efficient place to be.
2-sec silence. You know, our biological brains forget things on purpose to stay sane.
It is a survival mechanism. We stay adaptable.
But as we build these AI second brains with perfect recall, are we risking overwhelming ourselves?
It is a deep question. Trying to remember absolutely everything could just be perfect clutter.
Look at your own messy computer, desktop, or notes app today.
Give it a really honest look.
And ask yourself, can my AI actually find any of this?
If not, maybe just start with a simple folder today.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. See you next time.